In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the sales order that we receive for the finished good, especially if we don't have the finished goods inventory. As we can see here on 5th of January, sales order received from Scott Anderson. Now, Scott Anderson is our customer, which has ordered us some items, but these items are finished goods. If you notice here, they ordered shirts and pants, but we don't have this in stock. We only created the bill of material, which is the recipe management system, but we haven't manufactured anything. And that's the normal practice in manufacturing companies, that even though you don't have the manufactured items in stock, you still take the order because that's a continuous process. It will be ready in future. So we will take some time from the customer to deliver the manufactured items, and then we take the order. To enter this, just simply go to customers and sales, and here go to sales order, click new sales order, and this is received from Scott Anderson. So let's choose the name here. Date of transaction is 5th of January and the order number is 24. Let's select the quantity. I'll choose 3000, write 3000 here. Item name is shirts and the unit price is 400. This makes the total to 1200,000. Press tab, go on the second line, and on the second line we have pants. 2000 is the quantity. Finished goods 2, which is pants. Unit price is 500. This makes the total to 1 million. Just make sure before entering this, the total amount is matching your project. So it's right here. When you select both of these figures in Excel, you will get the totals right here at the bottom, which is 2200,000. 2200,000 is mentioned here as well. So all good. Just make sure the dates are correct. Let's save it. It says here the ship by date cannot be less than the sales order date. So I need to make this correction. Obviously, we have to ship the items on a later date. So order date is 5th January. It should be delivered, let's say, by 31st. And now we can save it. So that's how we enter the sales order of finished goods in Sage. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.